Okay, like this. Okay, safety is number one priority. What just happened? Okay, the charger just fell down. Sadly, the charger just fell down. I bought the ladder. Especially I just bought it for traveling because when I'm go, I just want to use the Android the Wear OS. Okay, how to turn it on? I have no idea. I have no idea how to turn it on. Zero idea how to turn it on. Yeah, this is some kind of charger. Let's see, do it work or not? Let me just see the manual. Is it Bluetooth on? Yep. Connecting. Pair. Okay, connecting. Tap to begin. English. I agree. Okay, let me do it again. It was failed. Let me do the connecting again. Pair. Okay, this may take a few minutes. Agree. Make sure to check out my free 1 month Skillshare. I am teaching on Skillshare. I really like the band. The band is quite nice. As you can see, the band is really very nice. Again, okay, there's no charging. I don't wanna. Come on. Okay, this one is better. Continuous tap on the phone. Okay, copy your Google account. Okay, copy. So, do you like smartwatch?
Yeah.
No, I think you don't like. I think you don't like smartwatch.
No, I like.
No, it's not for you.
How is the size? I mean,
I'm
can
just.
you see clearly?
Do you want the smartwatch? For this is for you.
I think it's too small for me.
Really?
I don't, yeah.
So the watch is ready, and it's just saying completing. I'm very much excited, to be honest with you. I'm gonna express my excitement. Okay, I'm really excited. Okay, I wanna change the watch face to something like classic. Okay, classic. Okay, watch face. Let me set on watch. Okay, it's. I think this one look better, right? Or something like this. Set. Set on watch. I want the compass one. Oh, this look better. I have no idea. I'm first time using a smartwatch. I'm a little bit dumbfounded here. Okay, tap the notification. Clear or. Let me see the brightness. Okay. Display. Can you see? Adjust the brightness. Turn off the auto. Now it's better. I'm liking it. I'm liking it, to be honest with you. I'm liking it. So yeah, it was me. Make sure to check out links in the description box below. I have to say bye.